Hey guys, it's your girl Genesis. I'm with Christina. I'm with Tino. He's trying to. Okay, ready?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
2, 3. Come on, Tino, slide down that pole. Go on, Tino. Tino, get on the pole. How dare you? Oh my god. Oh, hi. Look at this girl.
I hold this, ready? I got you. This is how you do it.
This is how you do it. Hey.
Wait, hold up. Ready?
Oh my god, Tino. Get away. We killed him. How somebody help him? He's choking. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So you guys know, Tino is okay, thankfully, so thank you.
Okay, you're.
No, put the camera on me.
And then I slide.
Oh, I'm gonna slide.
Hey guys, welcome back to Genesis Vlog with me.
We
And those
about to
kids.
go.
You know,
Mom, where are you going?
we just finished The Nun, and it was so freaking good.
Yo, I'll call you guys back when we get into the mall.
Yes. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
My BFFs. My best friend.
Excuse me, hello.
Don't open the window, the people see you guys too much in here.
Hey, we're not illegal. Conversation.
We're legal. Yeah.
We are legal.
No,
Oh, I
I
thought
said
we
we're
weren't.
not.
I was just about to be like, man, we did so many stuff.
Because what if they think we're immigrants?
Alright, everybody, look at my best friend. She's the most beautiful thing alive. Right? This is my best friend. Alright, everybody just get a good look, even though she's hiding her face.
I'm with my girl Christina, and we're very cramped, so.
Kind of.
And they're just sitting on, like, Diana's just sitting on Aaliyah.
Valentino, are you okay though?
Tino, are you sure you're okay?
Sure, you okay? Did my mama?
Yes.
Listen to my mama. She's
No, that's
smart.
not good. He almost almost
he almost
died.
stole
This is natural treasure that will last forever and ever on this channel.
Genesis, why are your eyelashes so long and
be-
curly?
Because I'm like, I got long arms, like noodle arms, so I got like them ramen, yeah, like.
Them ramen.
Check me out, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Aaliyah. She's
so beautiful.
I know, right?
Exactly, so beautiful.
No.
I'll call you guys back, okay? I mean, come back to you guys when we get stop. When we get back into the mall. Okay, when we get into the mall,
Post this on YouTube.
Oh yes, I am.
You definitely are, sis.
So I'll see you guys later. Also, I just want you guys to know that
Bye, sisters.
We're already here.
follow all of them on Snapchat.
We're already here.
I don't know.
I can't.
Goodbye, Jess's beautiful mom. Okay, get out. Get out. Dude, which way are you gonna get out?
Okay.
How long are we staying?
Bye, guys.
Tino. Hi.
Tino.
Hi, Tino. Are you okay? Are you sure?
Hey guys, what's up? This is
What did Genesis do?
Genesis always makes you feel better when you're sad. She is like the tallest one in the world, and
No, Donald,
she looks
let
like
me take
she
that
looks like
Yeah.
Slender Man when she runs, like
94 pounds,
with
Tino.
big steps. Like when she goes like that, she looks like Slender Man. Like, see, here's an example. Genesis. Like a mile because Genesis sucks.
What? Not true. Aaliyah and Tina are gone, so it's just us. Then there were two. So let's go to H&M.
Yeah. Sweaters. Shirts.
Can we please stop by Target? I just want to look at the freezer because I'm really hot.
We saw at Target last.
Wait, okay. I also want to check out pink.
We'll do that last too.
Alright.
H&M first.
Alright.
H&M matters.
Okay.
You also want Pinkberry?
Yeah, let's see about Pinkberry. You know, like those strawberry boba? I love that. I love boba.
I've never had boba, and you're so loud. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's. Yeah. So we'll get back to you guys later when we're in H&M.
Mile because Genesis sucks.
What? Not true. Ali and Tina are gone, so it's just us. Then there were 2. So let's go to H&M.
Yeah. Sweaters. Shirts.
Can we please stop by Target? I just want to look at the freezer because I'm really hot.
We'll talk about Target last.
Wait, okay. I also want to check out Pink.
We'll do that last too.
Alright.
H&M first.
Alright.
H&M matters.
Okay.
You also want Pinkberry?
Yeah, let's see about Pinkberry. You know, like those strawberry boba? I love that.
Yeah.
I love boba.
I've never had boba and you're so loud. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah. So we'll get back to you guys later when we're in H&M.
Fuck out of here with it.
Let's see your water bottle. No. She put M&M's in her half decrepit.
Barely empty water bottle. You didn't get to finish your vlog.
Well, I'm finishing it right now.
So yeah, we're gonna be leaving soon. So yeah, don't forget to link my YouTube and my Snapchat and my stuff down below.
You don't I have YouTube. If you had YouTube, you would have told us.
I do have YouTube.
Okay, how many videos you got?
Views.
No, I said videos.
Oh, none? Because I didn't post yet. I'm trying to find the perfect one.
Oh, okay, so I see. No, it's gonna be fine. Okay.
Fix this. How you gonna move it?
No, we do buckle. We're gonna start and we're gonna. Oh yeah, they have to come around.
Can you come around?
Don't they usually come around when you come here?
No.
Well, a lot has changed.
These horses used to be real horses. Okay? They were just like turned into statues. Why do you think they have that really, really strong base? Fact. Disgrace.
Christina. Hi.